How to make chili on the Nuwave Duracore 6-quart Dutch oven. Begin by first preheating the Dutch oven on a cooktop. Add oil into the pot. Then add ground beef and stir until the meat is cooked brown. When the ground beef is cooked, drain the excess fat. Afterwards, add onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Continue to stir and cook until the contents are soft. Add salt and pepper, as well as the chili powder and cumin. Next, add kidney beans and crushed tomatoes. Once everything is mixed, keep the pot uncovered and reduce the chili to a simmer for 45 minutes. Be sure to stir occasionally. When the chili is thick enough, ladle some into a bowl. Top it off with some shredded cheese and green onions. The chili is now ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.